Right, so hey guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you on how to run command prompt as an administrator. So it's a very simple thing. You can go into your start button here, okay, and type in cmd. Okay, here you can click on run as administrator this way, or you can right click on it and run as an administrator. Your administrator thing prompt pop-up thing will appear. Click on yes, and here you can see it's indicated the administrator account when it says C Windows System 32. Okay, System 32 should be here. That shows that is an administrator account. So that's how you can open command prompt as an administrator. So to close it, just type in exit and you're done. So that's all for this video, guys. It's a very simple process, but most of the people are not sure on how to do that. So yeah, if this video helped you, do leave a like, drop a comment and share this video if possible, and don't forget to subscribe. So that's all for me. Thanks for watching, folks.